Hi, this is George from Digital High Road, and I wanted to quickly put a video together for you. I just learned this morning from my mentor, Philip Barrowman, that there's a live editor in YouTube. Who knew? I didn't. This is my 10th month building my YouTube channel. I'm a newbie, and if you're a newbie, I wanted to get this information to you. It could make a difference and save you a bit of time, as in 3 or 4 hours of frustration and time if you knew about this. And so what we're going to talk about is how to trim videos in the YouTube video editor. It's a live edit of a video that you've already published. If you get through with this video and you like it because you got some value and you know it's going to save you some time, then please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also reach over there and hit that bell icon a couple times. Just smack it a little bit, and make sure that you do it firmly so that it will notify you anytime I publish a new video to our channel. Without waiting any further, let's move on to today's tutorial on how to trim videos with YouTube's video editor. So I had something happen to me today that I thought was interesting. I'm always looking to learn new things. And as a video creator, video content creator on YouTube, I didn't know that YouTube had a live editor. And so my mentor, Philip, let's go here. My mentor, Philip, I published in our class, I published my video, my last video, told me that there was a problem with my video, this video right here, okay? So I went into the live editor for YouTube a couple hours ago, about 2 hours and 45 minutes ago. And I didn't know what I was doing, and I'll take you in there in a minute and show you how to do what I was doing. And so it said to wait a couple hours for the changes to happen. You know, that's a common thing from YouTube. They'll say if you change something, come back in a couple hours. It takes for it to show up. So I checked it, and the section I took out, there was a section in the beginning of my video. It was right in here, and this section right in here was duplicated. It was about a 30-second clip. It's right here. That was duplicated. But what I did was I cut out the first area and left the second duplication in. And when I just listened to the change about 15 minutes ago, I realized that the change, what I took out, was the wrong thing. So I can't replace it now on the live editor, so I had to come in to my Filmora 9 editor on my computer. And then I now fixed it. I took out from the project that was saved from the video yesterday, I took out the right editor. Now we're correct. Now everything's cool, and I'm ready to export this video. And then I'm going to do that. I wanted to show you that this took probably 15 minutes of my time so far, and then I'll report back to you as we go through the video. It's going to take, I'm going to have to republish on YouTube because this is a learning curve experience for me. I screwed up with the live editor, not knowing and not thinking through what I was editing properly. Now I know better for next time. So it's a learning curve with creating a YouTube channel and building a business. So I want to share it with you. We're going to pick up on this, and I'll report to you how much time it's going to take. So you're on YouTube and you want to go to your channel, so you're already on your email. So You're going to go here and you're going to pull up, click on your channel. What you're going to do under your channel is going to here, you want to edit a video in here. So you're going to go YouTube Studio. And then you're going to go videos to give you a listing of all the videos you have in here. Okay, and you're going to see in here the videos that you have in here. These are just out testing. So I'm going to go in here. Let's try this one. Let's see if we can edit this one live. Edit this one live. Okay. So I'm going to go here over here to editor. Once I pull the video up the backside. Now you're going to see this right here. This says trim. It's lit up. So that means I can trim this video. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, okay, what I want to do is I'm going to click on this and I want to highlight this area. If I click and drag on this, it's going to magnify this area for me. And then I can see here what's involved in this area. Let's say if I determined I want to take 54.5 out of here. And we're going to take up to say we take up to here. So we're going to decide. So I'm going to go trim. You can see what happened at this response back down. But we were around 50 seconds. Let's go to 48 right here. Let's go right here. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to click on split. And the split's going to start right here. And then I want to go to, I'm going to enhance this to where I want to split it. Okay, I'm left clicked and I'm dragging. So this area right here will be split out. Now the way you're going to split it out is you're going to hit preview. Okay, there's an X out here. This will undo your split. But if it's up there, don't click on it because you don't want that. You want to handle it down here, here, and through your response here. This is where you enlarge it. So you've got an area here, and you're going to say preview. Basically what that's showing you now is the area. This is the area that you're going to cut out of the video. Now to do that, you're going to come up here, and if you want to do that, you just press save. You said save changes. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply during that time. Viewers will see the current version. You won't be able to make any changes to the video while you wait. So I'm going to say, okay, save. Video is being processed. Now, if you go to this video for the next, I timed it with a cut earlier. If I come back here about 2 hours later, the video is going to show this section being gone. It'll be about 40, or from about 50. It's going to be 10 seconds, about 10 seconds shorter than it was. So that's how you do that. I want to show you how we got here, though. How I got here was by some things that happened, and continue on the video in a second to show you how I got here. And this is important because I spent extra time on this morning trying to figure this part out because I didn't know about the click and drag area. I was dealing with the clicks and clicks down here and I wasn't able to do this. Here, it kept coming up. The areas were grayed out. Now I want to show you real quick what I did this morning and why it didn't work. So I pushed trim here. You already have your video pulled up here. So you're going to push trim. And then you're going to have your bars down here that are going to appear. Okay? So then you have to do then is come in here and find an area that you want to trim out. You click on that, and then split will come up down here. So what I did this morning is I pushed split. I came through and said, okay, I want to take out, okay, I want to take out this area here. What happened was this area didn't come out. I learned I had to drag this, click and drag this. And then if I wanted to do this, because this is grayed out, this won't let me do anything. This wouldn't let me save here. These two areas are grayed out. And there are conditions that YouTube has, they won't let you use this editor. So just be prepared. This is what is going to happen here that you want to have. You want it to be this way so you can press preview. As soon as you press preview and that drops down, this is grayed, then this will come out live to be saved. So that's very important that you want that to happen. So like I always say, I'm willing to help you out in any way I can. This video, I hope, will help you out. Now, I'm tracking time. This is my editor, and I'm actually in the expert mode. I've been in this about 3 minutes right now. As you can see in through here, or you follow my arrow here, or 9 minutes yet to get this rendered from here to my browser to a file on my computer, a folder. From there, I have to go then to YouTube. So I just wanted to update you on what we're doing. This is the first timing step in this process. Okay, so the program just finished rendering, and it's now in my folder. And it did take around 14 minutes and 25 seconds to do the whole process. So that's 14 minutes and 25 seconds of time that we're dealing with here. So I wanted to update you on that, and then we'll move on. We're going to close out the program here, and I'm going to update this, and then we'll move on to the time that's going to take to upload the video to YouTube. Will be our next thing. So we're going to move on to downloading the video to, or uploading the video to YouTube. First off, I just wanted to remind you that to be on the email, the Gmail address where your channel is established before you pull your channel up. So that's what I did. And there's my channel. Now I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. And then we're just going to upload the video into here. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to time this right now. Okay, it's 11:09 here in Eastern Time. And then we're going to just time that, and we'll get it set up so that this will get uploaded, and then you'll know what you're dealing with for time. So I wanted to show you just some extra work you're going to have to do once you do this. Now this is a notepad where I keep everything when I finished with the video yesterday when I published it. I've got the title that I want, got the new URL here, I've got all my description here, my hashtags, and then I've got the tags that I set up for the video. Basically, they've all had to be plugged into here. And that's taken me about 8 minutes to do that. Now this is set up. It's going to be exactly like the video I'm replacing. But I wanted to tell you, just show you this step. And we have to wait here. Now we're waiting 36 more minutes. And it's been since, it's been 6 minutes on the upload so far. So we'll keep it posted. When we get here, the end part, we'll update you so you know what's going on with time that's going to take for you to do this. So just to finalize this video, as you can see, I'm in my editor right now. I need the end piece yet. What we've done, this whole thing was done because of mis-editing in the editor this morning, another video that I published led me to finding out about the YouTube Live editor. So I wanted to do this video. I hope this video helps you understand. If not, please add comments and questions down below the video for me. I'll personally answer them back the best I can. If I don't have an answer, I'll find an answer for you, or I'll be able to direct you somewhere to get the answer. If you liked the video, if you found value in this video, please like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done that. And also reach over and hit the notification bell icon. Tap it a couple times firmly so that you make sure you're notified every time I publish a new video. I want to remind you, it's very important if you're looking to have an online business that you remember to click the link down in the description below. I have some free training that you can get access to that'll help you settle, find the answers to questions maybe you have, and make things more complete for you. So why don't you do that today? Get started. Click the link down below to get some free information to get your online business either back on track or get it started where you can have a profitable long-term business for yourself. And I wanted to thank you very much for watching this tutorial today, and God bless.